6, 7, I have no idea. So I'm in the bathroom. This thing is off, obviously. I'm going to the bathroom and sticking out my back of my arm. What are you not videoing in the bathroom? I'm like, shut up. Shut up. Yeah, okay. Ah, dumbass. You have drunk anyways. Like, yeah, okay. You know me, man. It's pointing that way anyways. I'm like, shut up. God. Weirdos. Yeah, I'm in there. Really tipping men. You know me, man. Got my own, called the Crank website. See, these are Lumacrafts. These are, yeah, I do that kind of behavior, you know. I got peep cameras that I use in my hat. That's what I do, man. This is like a poor man one right here. It was just kind of funny. Yeah, okay. So, 64 grand. So you see real people over here looking. The crowd's kind of thinning out over here because families aren't going to buy these. It's going to be the working class kind of guy. With these Lumacrafts are kind of nice. I think they're made in Minnesota, I think. There's more premier party barges over there for the wealthy folk. Like I said, you can just tell these are just all about fishing, dry wells, open, easy to pull, motor, trailer, whole 9 yards, probably the whole deal. Drive it off a lot. Go over to Lake Minnetonka, cause some trouble. You can be the lead person. It's 47,000. It's with 150 horsepower, so I assume it's the whole 9 yards. Doesn't say, but it probably does. So they kind of get bigger as you go along here. Starcraft, these are kind of nice. These party barges right here, these are smaller ones. And get up over here, I think. Look at that blue. Nice. Look at that bad boy. 31,000 show price. Not bad. Someone leaves their own garbage in there. Nice. 32,000 for show price. Open. And over here you can be having your alcohol of choice. Real small. That one's kind of nice. I like that Starcraft one. I like these. Go over here. I think I looked at these already. I think I did. But we'll cruise on over here. I'm gonna go over here on my left. Bunch of party barges. It kind of goes on forever. A whole bunch. Oh. These big bad boys. Holy moly. Up here. Must be a long, I guarantee it takes some time to 89 grand. Sold. It's sold. 90 grand. They bought it. 38 grand. Nice. Not bad. Kind of like it. Look at that bad boy. Oh, goodness. 129,000. Jesus. Those premieres can be very, very expensive. $45,000. But here is this ugly puke color. They want $92,000 for that thing. 92 grand. Good Lord. So we'll go over to the other one over here. You see more families look at the party barges. So this one is sold. Sold, baby, sold. Over here. Down the stairs we go without killing ourselves, shall we? Yeah, there's just so many different party barges you can get. Oh. It's kind of a different kind of pukey brown again. That's like the big color, I think. All right, well. Now kind of, I don't know.
All the belts are on the outside you can look at, so and all have.
Is this the new color they're putting out these days, that brown?
Yep. Yep, it's getting to be more and more popular every year.
Really? I wouldn't buy it. Not a chance.
You wanted to try selling it at 45.
Yeah, a lot of it is brown color. He's playing the guitar. While you're singing. GMC, professional made. Going to the South Bay here. Never let me sing again. God, they're gonna over here. More party barges to look at with the pukey brown. I can't believe this is a popper color. Really? That tells me I want to buy something like that. Really? I mean, I like the layout, but not the color. I'll take this 25 grand with motor. All right. By me. 34. I'm sorry. I'm not paying it. I'll take one of the red if I had to, I guess, but ugh. Same kind of thing over here. We'll go over the other over here. There's a bunch over here too as well. So another Bennington ones that are same behavior. Don't need to go over there. A whole bunch. So, there's just so much to look at. So many things. Now we're getting into over here. Docks and stuff, and I haven't seen any fishing lures lately. I mean, they're probably in there, but you could make these out of barrels if you wanted. You could make your own party barge out of barrels and weld them together. You could do that and put like something on there. You could build your own if you really want to make your homemade one. Vexus must be a new 76,000, 116,000. Oh my Lord, what for? Oh, look at that bad boy. Oh. Big bad boys. So it must be a new brand I haven't seen before. But probably with the trailer of 9 yards, looks like it. Nice. An off brown, not it's all brown. It's nice. I like it. Not that puke. Oh my God, look at that party barge Ranger. Oh my goodness. Oh my word. Look at that, huh? I like the color. Nice. My favorite one so far. Right here. Again, when I walk in, it should say with trailer and motor options. All laid out for me. Whole 9 yards. It's nice. One thing about it is trying to fish on the damn thing. You feel scared to fish on it, but these kind of ones also, you're on a lake. You don't go anywhere with it. But the small ones you saw at the very beginning of the stuff were kind of cool. So, anyways. As you can see, there is a ton of party barges around this hill here. Hold on like an old man, shall we? Oh my God. Oh. These are the bigger Ranger ones.
Yeah, do you realize you guys are wasting my time right now?
These are the ones that the real fishermen go on when they have their fishing tournaments. People make a lot of money doing that behavior. I'm lucky to catch a fish once in a while. But I'm just telling you, I'm selling these things. I that on there. Just foolish not to. I don't care what anybody tells me. I like this open one. Kind of reminds you of mine. It's a tracker. I like it. Put a grill on here if you want. That's a little busy, but I get it. You can buy some used ones for nothing. Look at this. Oh my goodness. Holy balls, the size of basketballs. 84 grand. 84 grand. Huh. Oh my goodness. Look at that bad boy. Oh my word. This is the gangster one. I call this the gangster one. I'll tell you what, no bounty, no crime. We go fishing in this little bad boy. We'll go find Elvis ourselves. I'd say maybe 2 more. Maybe we'll get Bill Clinton and say, hey man, hey Bill Clinton, I did not have sexual relations with that woman, Miss Lewinsky, on this boat, man. I'd love to anyways. My wife, Bill Hillary. God damn it, don't want to find out about Jeffrey Epstein, Yahoo, man, I'd be in big trouble. Donald J. Trump. Don't tell me, Bill Clinton. Anyways, guys, from the Gangster Mobile, on the water. On to the next one. See you tomorrow, 2 days.